Welcome to Pompeii! Day 5 in Italy, and now we are in Pompeii from Naples, and I'm rushing in to get into the train. After reaching the Pompeii station in an hour, we walked towards the Pompeii ruins and thought of having breakfast first. After the junk which we had in Naples, much required is some salad. We reached the Pompeii ruins by walking for 20 minutes right from the railway station at Pompeii and took the entry tickets to the Pompeii ruins without any tour guide. After some security check, we were right inside the main area where the ruins begin. It's super duper huge, so let's watch where it all begins. Welcome to Pompeii! Pompeii is an entire buried city with squares, temples, baths, public buildings, private villas, shops. The archaeological ruins of Pompeii covered around 440,000 square meters, a vast area that would take at least 3 full days to explore completely. We were here just for one day, that too half day, and whatever we managed to cover through the help of the map and people around, we thoroughly enriched the experience, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So keep on watching. While walking the meandering lanes of the Pompeii ruins, I came across this restoration work going on in one of the spots there, and I will take you to the best sites in Pompeii ruins one by one, starting from Villa of Mysteries. Now this was discovered in 1909 and 1910. As they call it in Italian, Villa dei Misteri is one of the most captivating and mysterious in the entire ruins, and probably belonged to the Escasidi family, one of the most powerful in Pompeii during the reign of Augustus. The walkthrough and the audio guides were very expensive, thus we wanted to know everything on our own. We took the help of these written manuals there and discovered these places and found new joy in making it on our own and discovering these little but very exciting things in every corner in the Pompeii ruins. Next up, we are in the Lupanar, which is the city's brothel, and each cell had stone bed that was topped with a mat or cushion during those times. One by one, we are moving from one site of Pompeii ruins to the other. Now we are in the Forum, which is the most striking spot in the ancient city of Pompeii. It is a large square with triumphal arches, public buildings, the Basilica, the market, and a few temples and important buildings which were dedicated to Apollo and to Jupiter. After this, we will be moving on to the Basilica, which was not to be confused with a church or something, but this was a public building of historical importance and a kind of a courtroom where the judge sat on a raised dais above the sides, and was also commercial contracts were drawn up here. When I was planning my Italy itinerary and I came across Pompeii, I had to include it for its historical richness, and thus I was here and I'm super happy with what I found.
That's the amphitheater.
Built around 70 BC, Pompeii's ancient amphitheater is one of the best preserved in the world. Used for sporting events and gladiator battles, the space could seat 20,000 spectators in 3 sections of seating. The first rows were prominent citizens, the middle rows were for middle classes, and the highest rows were for the rest of the population. Interesting, right?
This is the amphitheater in Pompeii.
That's it, guys. We were now out of the Pompeii ruins main gate, and right in front we saw couple of shops which were selling souvenirs and lot of other goodies, and we just took a stroll, did not really buy anything, and took the train back to Naples and came down
So
here.
we were going from Pompeii to Naples and we got down at this random station. It is so deserted, I cannot even see a soul. And there we have it. We decided to have this view of this beautiful sea around me, and on my left is mountain Vesuvius, and we are walking right now, and in 5 minutes we have our train back to Naples. So that's what you call adventure, that's what you call a true traveler. No fear, no inhibitions, just having fun, random fun. And I am loving it. Hope you are loving it too.
So the station is called Santa Maria la Bruna.
And with that, I was moving back to the platform to catch my train back to Naples.
So guys, that's it for this video in Pompeii, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. I will see you next time in a new video. Super bye for now.